Asuntosakeyhtiö Tähtipuisto.
This is amazing today on the 30th of March 2025. We have Hallituskatu 15. Is 15?
18.
18 staircase D. And we should also get the staircases E and C and is it A and B or?
Yeah.
Yeah. So 4 others here later.
And F.
F, so 5 others.
Yeah.
Give us the three voices of the breakdowns and they are really difficult to understand but we did now. Hopefully the other side too. It's built in late 1970, finished 1971 by Kone. There's the Embrace 18577 and there's 6 pictures. I like this yellow color here,
Same here.
but it was repainted.
Yeah. Ens tittbak ju, ens kan inte inte bara så när det skrattas.
The basement floor. That's it. Thank you very much.
That's